Hello everyone, welcome, thank you for joining me today. Wherever you may be, the cold season is here or could be around the corner. Today I want to show you guys these premium heated gloves that could be for you. Alright, here we go.
This comes in a nice sparkling box that could make a good gift. Let me show you a quick preview of these gloves. These gloves are made out of soft polyester. It feels very soft and comfortable, very flexible and light. I was actually quite impressed. This material is the same material as my premium winter jacket. This is also waterproof. Here we have is a strap, a wrist strap, to make sure the heat or cold air does not come in. Here's the power button. It has a status meter, a battery status meter, 25%, 50, 75, and 100. And this pocket here is windproof. This is where you put your battery. And before you use it for the first time, make sure you charge the battery to 100%. It's very important you charge it before you use it the first time. And here we have is two arm straps, double security, extra secure so the wind does not get into your gloves or snow. And on the palm side, here we have the anti-slip material. These gloves are also breathable, so your hand doesn't get too sweaty. And on these fingertips, you can see these dots or the texture. You can use them, these fingertips, or you can use them on your cell phone. They're able to sense your fingers, which is pretty cool. Now let me show you how to turn this on. Hold this for about 2 seconds and it should turn on. Red light means high, medium, and blue means low temperature for the heat setting. When it's red, the maximum temperature inside the gloves, it feels roughly low 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And when you're done, to turn it off, hold it again for a few seconds. And it has a nice buckle to put your gloves together so you don't lose them. And there you go. Now let me show you what it looks like when I put it in my hand. Feels very comfortable inside. It's pretty nice. This battery pack does not annoy you or bother you. The inside is very comfortable too, as well. It's a soft cotton material. It feels like you're wearing a sleeping bag. The heat element is on the top side of the fingers, this area and this area, but not to worry. The heat will circulate throughout the entire glove, keeping your hand and fingers warm and toasty.